What new video footage has emerged from the Russia-Ukraine war this week? Recent clips reveal unexpected moments on the front lines, showing both the intensity and human side of this ongoing conflict. This week, new video footage surfaced from the Russia-Ukraine war showing intense frontline combat. The clips reveal the use of advanced artillery and drone strikes, offering a raw look at how both militaries are adapting their strategies. Some footage captures soldiers navigating harsh winter conditions while engaging in close combat. These images provide a stark reminder of the ongoing dangers and the relentless nature of this conflict. Alongside combat footage, new clips also show the impact on civilians living in war zones. Scenes include people seeking shelter, volunteers helping the wounded, and families trying to maintain some normalcy. These powerful images reveal the resilience of ordinary people caught in extraordinary circumstances. They also document the ongoing humanitarian crisis and the urgent need for aid in affected regions. A significant portion of the new footage comes from drones performing reconnaissance and targeted strikes. These videos offer an unprecedented perspective from above, showing movement of troops and equipment in real time. This digital aspect of warfare provides critical intelligence, but also raises questions about the ethics and risks of remote combat technologies. The footage highlights how modern conflicts are increasingly shaped by surveillance and technology. The new video footage from the Russia-Ukraine war this week gives us a deeper understanding of both the brutal realities of combat and the resilience of civilians. These images remind us that behind every headline are real people facing extraordinary challenges. For daily answers to questions you didn't know you had, hit subscribe and stay curious.